Your Excellency, the Governor, Honourable Premier, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Before I begin, I would like to say that the month of May is quite special, for it is the month that we celebrate our seniors. So May 1st through 31st is being celebrated as Seniors Month. And I would like to wish all seniors, although this year we would not be able to adhere or to create all of the plans that we have, we would like you to know that seniors or golden gems are special indeed. Today, May 8th, is also that of World Red Cross Day. And you will no doubt be familiar with all of the works that the Red Cross have done throughout the world and here in the BVI, not only in 2017, but also as they have done their part in the territory provisioning program that we have and actually continue to do. On Sunday, May 10th, will also be Mother's Day. So we like to send advanced Mother's Day greetings to all mothers and those who are mother figures throughout the world, and especially here in the Virgin Islands, for indeed, those of you who have had to do your homeschooling and continue to do your homeschooling, you know how special mothers are. And it also is celebrated from the 6th of May through the 12th as the International Nurses Week. And this will end on the 12th, and actually celebration to Florence Nightingale's birthday. So we know a special debt of gratitude that we have to send to our nurses, both public and private. And in fact, an initiative is being held where I would like to be able to send a rose to all nurses, public and private, between now and the 12th. All of the roses would not be able to be delivered on the same day, but it is my quest to make sure that each nurse, in appreciation for the work that you have done for this period and continue to do all through your career, that you would be able to understand that this government, our people, really appreciate your efforts. In recent weeks, there have been a steady progress of countries around the world moving towards reopening and rebooting their economies as they struggle to recover from the early impacts of COVID-19. These decisions have been met with mixed reactions and results, but one clear lesson for sustainable development is that governments must continue to place people's health and well-being at the forefront. This pandemic is far from over. Since the beginning of April, around 80,000 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported to the World Health Organization every day. Globally, more than 3.6 million cases and over 254,000 deaths have been reported, and a total of 1,362,138 persons are deemed to have recovered from the disease. As of May 7th, the Caribbean region accounted for 14,991. As of May 7th, the Caribbean region accounted for 14,991 confirmed cases, 672 deaths, and 4,122 recoveries. In terms of our local situation, there were 13 new tests that were processed by CARFA on Thursday of this week, bringing our total to 167 samples for 143 individuals, the others being retests. All new samples, I am happy to report, tested negative for COVID-19, and we are very pleased to announce the full recovery of a fourth case. Therefore, there are now only 2 active cases out of the 7 BVI residents that have tested positive for COVID-19 to date, with 4 recoveries and 1 COVID-19 related death. All the preemptive actions taken by the government and every BVI business, household, community, and individual have resulted in the successes that we have achieved thus far in controlling the transmission of the virus that causes COVID-19. Our surveillance system operates at a level where new cases can be managed and transmissions controlled. Health system capacities are in place to detect, isolate, test, and treat every case and trace and track every contact. Outbreak risks are minimized in special settings like healthcare facilities and nursing homes. Preventative measures are in place in the workplace and other places where it is essential for people to go. This is buttressed by protocols for safe operations of establishments being monitored by the Social Distancing and Compliance Task Force. In this vein, the Environmental Health Division has already certified over 700 businesses for reopening. This is a demonstration of the real commitment shown throughout the BVI to safeguard health while steadily advancing towards the territory's full social and economic review. By continuing to observe these measures in the weeks and months ahead, we can reduce the risk of a spike in transmission, even as we prepare for the phased reopening of the territory's border. By working together, by us working together to manage this transition carefully, another very important element is for all of us as members of the community to be fully educated, engaged, and empowered to adjust to the new regular. We are committed to keeping you informed. While it is true that the COVID-19 pandemic has forever changed our way of life, by embracing this change, we can defy the odds and emerge as a stronger, more resilient, and cohesive Virgin Islands. Thank you again for your courage and commitment, and may God forever bless these Virgin Islands. May God forever bless the people of the Virgin Islands. I thank you.